Hey guys,
It's the Trilby Trio back at it again for another sick video. Hey guys, today we're gonna be making a pretty cake, and we're the Trilby Trio. We get stuff done. We're gamers. So stay tuned. This is going to be the best cake you've ever witnessed. Oh my lord. Yeah, I got the jumps, bloody rocker. Can I give a quick shout out? I'd like to give a shout out to my homeboy, Bobman3602. Bo Madsen. Look, you can't spell beautiful without Bo. Bo is sexy. I mean, he's a god. Love you, Bo. Love you very much.
Knock knock, let the devil in.
hey guys, welcome back to today, or tonight. We are making a chocolate cake.
Today we're going to be using the Greens classic chocolate cake. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is get a bowl.
Give me this. Give me
Get
this.
a bowl.
You get your bowl, you get your cake mix. You open this bad boy up. Open up. Get in. Oops. We spilt a little. It's messy work, guys. Guess who's calling? Guess who's calling, guys? Mate, what's going on?
How's it going?
Oh, yeah. We're just filming a YouTube video. Is that alright?
Yeah, that's all good.
Oh, bro, how's your mum?
Oh, you know, pretty good.
Oh, that's
What are
excellent.
you guys doing?
Oh, look, mate, we're baking a fantastic cake. So, anyways, mate. Alright, on this part of the show, everyone, we like to call it Q&A. So, we're going to ask Bo some questions. Bo, mate, you are the star of this show. Alright, Bo. Bo, I have a question for you. First question.
Yeah.
Why are you so beautiful? Why are you so handsome, Bo?
Oh, well, you know, that's a tricky question. I guess I was just born this way.
Oh,
I'm just that, yeah, that's right. I'm fucking
why
beautiful.
are you so good at tennis?
Yeah, I'm just a bit of a god, eh?
That's pretty cool. That's pretty dope.
Yeah.
You got any questions? Look, Bo, I'm gonna have to let you go. You've been a great guest on the Trilby. You're the first.
It's been an honour coming on to the show.
Yeah, you're the first
We
guest.
should collab sometime.
We should collab. Bo, you keen to collab, bros?
Yeah, I'll be around. So.
Excellent to hear. Righto then. Well, I'll see you at fixtures, mate.
Yeah, I'll see you next week on Monday.
Alright, awesome. Alright, see you at the job site. See you, mate.
See you, mate.
Have a good one. Classic Bo. And that's why we love him. Good character. Friendly.
So while that was happening, we've added some egg into our
You
mixture.
can't see it.
Some egg into
Do
our...
I just pick it up?
Some egg into... Some egg into...
Picked it up.
Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is add the milk into our mixture.
So I'm feeling all a bit wacky. Poppy. Alright, let's take it off. Let's take it off. Hey guys, get out.
Some
Get out. That's all I'm gonna say.
food dye.
Really, what this cake really needs is some chlorine, I think.
Okay, melt some butter.
The butter.
One
3
more
tablespoons.
drop for the boys.
Okay.
Nice.
This looks
That
delicious.
looks nice and green. And that's really good. Can we... That's a good sign that your cake's gone according to plan. If it looks like them $100 bills.
Melting the 3 tablespoons of
The 3 tablespoons of butter. Oh, it's got egg in it, so when you cook it.
So this
Okay,
looks
boys and
really
girls.
nice so far.
No, only you gotta leave a few.
We're gonna add some sprinkles as well. Some really big sprinkles.
I'm warned, y'all.
So yeah, that's our 3 tablespoons.
Okay, can you put that?
I'll do my Joe. You do your Peter. Hey Peter, you want to go down to the clams? You need to.
It's really liquidy.
Oh.
It's not a problem. I love me a cake that looks like.
Shrek.
Hi, I'm the one. Ow! My son. Oh, so
Ready?
cute. Pathetic. That's how real pros do it.
Ready? It's gone.
Going it.
Okay, while she's doing this, me and Brock are going to make the icing.
Yay! Oh my god, guys! Yay!
You're going to want to open this. Here, Brock, you can open it.
What are you doing in my food? Can I see the shrek impression, everyone? Oh, coffee. What's the thing about donkey? Donkey, shut up. Me name's Shrek. I'm just an ogre trying to live me life. Ogres like onions. Ogres are like onions, everyone. Get Shrek. Excuse me. This is Will Smith, right? Will Smith. I know Will Smith is. Famous actor, Will Smith. Also in the boy who goes basketball. Actually, no, one of the
Going in the oven. They're going in the oven.
Can someone give me butter? I need 2
How much I need?
tablespoons.
Is this 1 table? Yeah, it is. What's... Okay. Okay, now for this part of the show, I'd like to sing a little song. Bing, bing,
So guys, this is
bong.
how our icing is going.
Nice.
It's just the butter isn't really breaking up. Because she's a bit sloppy.
Sloppy Joe. Wow. Show the camera that. That looks delicious. And that's why you meant to melt it,
Yeah, I think so.
perhaps.
Yeah, that's crispy, Murphy.
I think we've done something wrong.
Can we put that on the cake though? Because then you get like little chunks of butter, and that's delicious. So yeah,
Okay.
I could get
We'll be
used to
back.
this. Well guys, thank you for watching. We're out here in Mooloolaba at the moment. As you can see, the weather's beautiful. We're all just gonna have a great time. Stay tuned for more Mooloolaba vlogs. See you in the next one.